I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a wired Xbox One controller and a functional USB cable. This is crucial because some cables are power only. Once you have those, power on your Xbox One and pick a free USB port. Front ports are easiest. Make sure the console has finished booting so it can detect new devices. If using a PC, sign in and be ready to check device settings. This first step gets you straight into the physical connection without delay. Next, plug the controller firmly into the USB port. Use a rear port on the console or a directly attached PC port to avoid hubs that can misbehave. Once connected, the Xbox button should light up. This slow, steady light means the controller is powered and recognized. If the console prompts to update the controller firmware, allow it because updates improve responsiveness and compatibility. Make sure you stay connected until the system confirms the update is complete, so the controller registers correctly. Finish by testing every button and both sticks in a quick game or the system controller test screen. This verifies analog ranges and button mapping. If values feel off, use the Xbox Accessories app to recalibrate or remap inputs for a precise feel. Should the controller fail to respond, try a different known good USB cable and a different port, then power cycle the console or PC. This solves most detection issues. If problems persist, a firmware update or replacing the cable usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.